Budgies are fascinating and intelligent birds that have captured the hearts of bird lovers around the world. In this video, we'll share some of the interesting facts about budgies that you may not have known. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Number 1. Budgies come in many colors. While the wild-type budgies is green and yellow, there are over 120 different color mutations of budgies that exist today, including blue, white, and even purple. Number 2. Budgies are social birds. Budgies are highly social birds that enjoy interacting with their flockmates and human caretakers. They thrive on attention and stimulation and can become bored or lonely if they left alone for a long period of time. Number 3. Budgies can learn to talk. Budgies are known for their abilities to mimic sounds, including human speech. With proper training and patience, many budgies can learn to say words and phrases. Number 4. Budgies have a unique respiratory system. Unlike most birds, budgies have a unique respiratory system that allows them to breathe efficiently in arid areas or environments. They have a series of air sacs that help them store and circulate air, making them well suited for life in the Australian outback. Number 5. Budgies are intelligent birds. Budgies are highly intelligent birds that enjoy learning and problem solving. They have been shown to have excellent memories and can learn to perform complex tasks with proper training. Number 6. Budgies are monogamous. Budgies are monogamous birds that form strong bonds with their mates. They choose a partner for life and will often preen and feed each other as a sign of affection. Number 7. Budgies have a unique digestive system. Budgies have a crop, a specialized part of their digestive system that allows them to store food before it enters the stomach. This helps them digest and process food more efficiently. Number 8. Budgies have a unique sleeping pattern. Budgies have a unique sleeping pattern where they sleep for short periods throughout day and night. They are known for their ability to sleep with one eye open, which helps them to stay aware of their environment and avoid predators. Number 9. Budgies have a long lifespan. With proper care and attention, budgies can live for up to 15 years or more in captivity. They make wonderful and rewarding pets for those willing to provide them with the love and care they deserve. Number 10. Budgies are excellent mimics of sounds. In addition to mimicking human speech, budgies can also mimic a wide variety of sounds, including other birds' calls, alarms, and even music. Number 11. Budgies have a unique way of drinking water. Budgies have a unique way of drinking water where they draw it up into their beaks and then tilt their heads back to swallow it. This helps them conserve water in their arid native environment. Number 12. Budgies have a keen sense of hearing. Budgies have a well-developed sense of hearing and can detect sounds at frequencies that are beyond the range of human hearing. Number 13. Budgies are sensitive to changes in light. Budgies have highly developed eyesight and are sensitive to changes in light. They can see ultraviolet light, which allows them to distinguish subtle differences in color that are invisible to humans. Number 14. Budgies can suffer from depression. Budgies are social birds that thrive on interaction and attention. If they are deprived of socialization or stimulation, they can suffer from depression, which can lead to health problems. It's important to provide your budgie with plenty of attention, toys, and socialization to keep them happy and healthy. We hope these surprising facts have helped you appreciate them even more. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comment, please leave them below.